Diego?
What?
Oh, finally! We have superpowers!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have wandered into an electrical storm. I suggest we all stay away from the trees.
Sure, no problem. It's not like we're in a forest.
Boy, Mother Nature sure is in a bad mood lately.
Good thing we're all here to help each other.
Oh, like I always say, stay close, stay alive.
There they are! Right out in the open. How stupid can you be?
Come on, kids! Dive!
Everyone, try not to create any sort of friction.
No friction. Got it.
Yup, cool beans. Friction is what now?
Oh, no.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Hurry, Granny.
Don't you hurry me. I've been struck by lightning more times.
Granny!
than you've had hot breakfasts.
Peaches!
Julian, don't move! I have an idea!
I'm coming, sweetheart! Julian, why aren't you helping her?
Wait! No, Manny, she...
What are you guys doing?
Helping?
What would not helping look like? Hey, zap heads! Manny, get ready to run!
Come on, let's go!
Everybody make it?
Sarah, Manny, Crash, Eddie, Ellie, Granny. Ah, shoot, I'm out of fingers!
Buck. Where's Buck?
Did you hear that? A baby! There's a baby in there!
Buck, wait! It's too dangerous!
He's gone. I can't believe it.
Don't know how we'll go on without you, Buck. All right, let's go. It's Buck!
I got you. Don't worry, I got you. There you are. There. Say hi, everyone.
Huh?
God, isn't she gorgeous?